Good morning, all students. Today we are going to see about this Hamming code. We are continuing with this Hamming code जो कल रह गया था. अब start करते हैं फिर से एक बार step by step. Now here the main thing is what the redundant bits are there. That is to be calculated by this formula. That is 2 raised to r is greater than m plus r plus 1. So r here is the redundant bits we can say, and m is a data bit we can say. So example is given here, we can see. So data bit number of data bits are 7 and redundant bits can be calculated on the base of the 7. That 2 raised to 4 is greater than 7 plus 4 plus 1. Okay, so that is equal to 16 we can say. 16 is greater than 12. So condition here it is satisfying. So number of the redundant bits we can say. So here it is 4. Suppose we are taking 3. Then 2 raised to 3 will be 8. Right? And 7 plus 3 plus 1, that will be equal to 11. So 8 is greater than 11, that is not satisfying. So we have to take 4 or more than 4 we can say. That 2 raised to 5 also it is satisfying. 2 raised to 6 also it is satisfying. 2 raised to 3, matlab 4, less than 4 is not satisfying this condition. So number of redundant bits, that is equal to 4 we have taken. Now here the total number of here the bits are given, that is 1 up to 11. 11 total here are given. The redundant bits are given denoted by r. So 3 times d then r, that is a redundancy bits. Then 3 times d then again r, that is also redundancy bits. Then d then r, that is redundancy. D is what? Data bit. Yeah, so here the two things are here, the data bit and redundant bit. So here d is denoting the data bit and r is denoting the redundancy bits. So here now first of all we have to start from this one part. So r1 will take care of this, that is written here. So here the alternate values are given here, right? That 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, that is given. So that will be taken care by this r1. Now next r2 here. So that will take care of this 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11. Then after this 4, 5, 6, 7 is taken by r4. अब ये किस तरीके से हो रहा है वो देख सकते हैं हम लोग. इसके अंदर यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है, यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं हम लोग. यहाँ पे r1 दिया हुआ है तो r2 के बाद वाला जो डेटा बिट है वो लिया हुआ है. फिर ये वाले इसके बाद वाला जो डेटा बिट है वो लिया है. इसके पहले वाला लिया है, इसके बाद वाला लिया है, इसके लास्ट वाला भी लिया हुआ है. Here r2, then this part is taken. Then after the middle and the next part is taken. Then after consecutively two are taken here in the r2. Right? Here the single is taken. Here the two are taken at a time. Suppose you are taking 2, then 3 also to be taken. Suppose you are taking 6, then 7 is to be taken. Suppose you are taking 10, then 11 is to be taken. Then after here, then for r4, here is taking 4 different consecutive parts. And in r8, here also 4 different consecutive parts here it is taking. Right, so 4 consecutive parts here it is taking. Now the data bit is given, suppose here, that is 100, 110 and 1. So here this blue part is the redundancy, is reserved for the redundancy part. Okay, now when we are adding that redundant bits r1, so here it will be 1. Okay, here it will be 1. So here, so adding r1 we will get 1 here. And finally we will get this data, and finally next we are adding r2, then we will get this 0 here. Then we are adding r4, then we are getting 4 here. ये वाला क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? यहाँ पे R1 is taking care, adding R1 now, तो R1 is taking care of these 3 bits. Yeah, so here it will take care of this bit, that's why here it is adding 1. After that R2, then here we have to take here the total number, here it is 4, so here it is taking 1 now, then here R2 is taken here, so R2 is taking care of these consecutive 2 bits, so here it will take some bit 0, then R4, so R4 is taking care of this bits also, so here it will be 0, then after here R8 is taking care of the last 4 bits, so here it will be 1 now, and finally we are getting the data that 100 111 00 101. So here the error, here it is given that 1 is changed to 0 when it is received by the receiver. So how we will check that particular error bit detection part, how it will be done. So here the particular R1 part here we will take. R1 कौन सा था, तो वो ऑड नंबर्स को डिटेक्ट करा था, 1 1 0 0 0 1, राइट. सो 1 3 ऊपर अपर साइड वी कैन टेक 1 3 5 7 9 11 ऑड पार्ट्स वी आर टेकिंग हियर. In the R2 here we can see, so here what it is happening, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, 1 0 0 0 1 1, these are the bits that are taken care by R1. So here for that, here the bit is given as 1, right. After that then 0 1 1 0, that is 2 3 6 7 10 11, right. So here we are taking what here, 1. Now after that here, now we are taking these 4 bits, so for that we are getting here 1, and after that 1 1, then we are taking 0 here. So how we are taking 0 and 1, that we have to see here. So here the total number of, see here, so we can take this taken care of these bits. So total number of 1s are 3 and 0 is 3, right. And here total number of 1s are, here is 3 again, then here it is 3, then here total number of 1 is 1, right, and 0 is 3, and here total number of 1 is 2, and here it is 0. So we can see here the odd number of 1s are taken here, so finally the answer will be 1 here. Here also the odd number of 1 is here, so answer will be 1 here. Again at downside we can see it is 1. Here also the odd number of 1 is taken, right, odd number of 1, total number of 1s is odd, so here it will be 1, and here it is even number of 1s, so here it will be 0, and finally this particular code that we are getting, that is for 7. So 7 is showing what, that is a bit in position 7 is in error, right. So bit in position 7 is in error. So here we can see bit in position 7, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, starting from the last right side we are going up to position 7, so we can see that the 7th position is having error, right. So here we can detect that part through this method. So this is how we are taking care of this method, so through which we can get what error is at which position. Now automatic repeat request, that is ARQ, that is the short form for this, and it is also known as automatic repeat query, we can say, is an error control method for data transmission that uses the acknowledgements and timeouts to achieve reliable data transmission over an unreliable service. So here ARQ is the part in which the request is repeated again and again. That is also known as automatic repeat requery. That is an error control method for data transmission that uses acknowledgements and timeouts to achieve the reliable data transmission. अगर सेंडर कुछ एक्नॉलेजमेंट रिसीव नहीं करता है कि बिफोर द टाइम आउट, तो वो क्या करेगा, इट विल रीट्रांसमिट द फ्रेम और पैकेट अंटिल द सेंडर रिसीव्स एन एक्नॉलेजमेंट. सो हियर सो अगेन एंड अगेन द रिक्वेस्ट बार बार सेंड होती रहेगी जब तक सामने से रिस्पॉन्स नहीं आता. कहने का मतलब है एक्नॉलेजमेंट मीन्स बहुत कि मतलब कि जो भी रिक्वेस्ट है उसके पास पहुंची है तो उसका एक्नॉलेजमेंट आएगा कि योर रिक्वेस्ट इज़ received. So that is the particular acknowledgement that is to be sent before timeout. तो एक टाइम सेट किया जाता है जिसके पहले वो एक्नॉलेजमेंट आ जाना चाहिए. अगर नहीं आता है तो वो फिर से वो क्या करेगा, फ्रेम को उसमें फ्रेम या पैकेज जो भी होगा उसको रीट्रांसमिट करेगा. और कब तक करेगा, जब तक उसका एक्नॉलेजमेंट उसको रिसीव नहीं होता. सो द टाइप्स of the ARQ protocols include stop and wait ARQ, go back N ARQ, and selective repeat ARQ or selective reject we can say. So here are the different things we can say. Stop and wait ARQ, that is the particular protocol. So then go back N ARQ. Yeah, so and selective repeat we can say or selective reject we can say. So these are the protocols that are included in this ARQ. So these protocols reside in what data link or transport layer of the OSI model we can say. Next, this particular part or unit is complete, that is cellular wireless network. So we will continue with the next new unit in the next lecture. So till then, if you have any doubt in this lecture, you can ask me through WhatsApp or through call or through the comment section in the YouTube video. Thank you.